Hello everyone, today we will go through the model building steps of machine learning. The very first step is understanding the requirement and feasibility check that rather the solution is possible with machine learning or not. The requirement can be straightforward, like someone wants to build a credit risk model, or it may be devious, like someone wants to build a system that helps them arranging items on the shelf. In short, the person wants to build association rules system. Second step is to decide which kind of the data will be required, such that how many variables will be required, what will be the data type of different variables, then according to the data which machine learning techniques can be used. Third step is to confirm if the data is already available with the required variables and the required minimum number of observations or not. If the data is already available in the system, next step is to understand the data and to decide which variables to consider from the data. If the data is not available, next step is to collect the data by means of questionnaires and surveys. Fourth step is to perform descriptive and exploratory analysis to get the characteristics of the data, to find patterns in the data. This step allows us to know individual variables' probability distribution, about missing values, outliers, and redundancy in the variable. In this step, we can use techniques like mean, mode, median to know central tendency of a variable, variance, standard deviation, covariance, interquartile range, percentile, etc. to find spread of measurement. In this step, we can also use visualizations like histogram, different charts, etc. to know about the data. Fifth step is of data cleaning and subsetting. This step consists of removing insignificant outliers, treating the missing values either by removing them or replacing them by mean, mode, median or any other suitable method, converting all the textual data to lowercase, subsetting the observations by specific criteria such that select all observations where income is greater than 50,000. Other preparations consist of steps like feature reduction, which means reduce total number of variables, feature engineering, which means creating new variables. After all these steps, finally, we can build the model with the help of different techniques like regression, decision tree, random forest, support vector machine, neural network, and after model building, we can evaluate the model performance, rather the model is working well or not on unknown data. If model is working well, then put it in the production, else if more data is required in terms of total number of observations or in terms of variables, start from step 2, that is brainstorming, that is which kind of the data will be required. And if data is sufficient, then start from step 5, that is feature reduction or feature engineering. We will cover all the steps mentioned over here one by one in coming sessions. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone.